Hey everyone, it's Tom. Let me show you a fried rice that's slightly dangerous. Not in a dramatic way, just in you might stop ordering takeout kind of way. Today we're making soy sauce fried rice. Simple, cozy, and honestly very hard to mess up once you get the feel of it. If you want to know how to make perfect steamed rice for fried rice, check the video linked here. I go over 3 easy methods. Alright, let's cook. Nothing fancy today, just purple cabbage, carrots, green onion, peas and corns, steamed rice, and an egg. Let's talk about the carrots now. To carrot or not to carrot? That is the question. Personally, I like carrots. And here's a small tip. I like to cut them really small. Small pieces give you better texture, and the flavors blend together more easily. If you prefer bigger chunks, that totally works too. Hot pan, wait a little bit until you see the smoke and add a little bit of oil. Crack the egg in and gently scramble. Keep them soft, break them into small pieces. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Today we're doing the version with egg, but if you're vegan, you can totally skip this part. Now add the rice. Take a spoon and loosen it up. You want the grains separated, not sticking together like they're in a group hug. After stir-frying for 1 or 2 minutes, the rice should be separated into distinct grains. Then take out the rice and egg and set them aside for later. Add a small amount of oil and then add carrots, peas, and corn. Stir fry them for about 1 minute. Bring the rice and eggs back into the pan. Mix them together. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. Quick stir and mix well. You will see the color change right away, and it already smells kind of amazing. Finally, add the purple cabbage and the green onion. Stir fry about 20 seconds. We add the purple cabbage and green onion at the end. The reason for adding the purple cabbage last is to keep it nice and crispy. When we smell the aroma of the green onion, we can take the dish out and plate it. Today, I also grilled some short ribs to go with the fried rice. It turned out really good. So if you're interested, next time I can show you exactly how I marinated them. Alright, let's try. Yeah, savory, a little sweet, rice is fluffy, you get the juicy corn and then that slight crunchy at the end. Also very kid friendly. And if the veggies go unnoticed, that's a quick win. So next time you have got leftover rice, this is a pretty good way to use it. If you enjoyed this, please feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next time. Happy cooking!